Blender has a very good built-in image editor, but for some tasks you might want to switch to a professional external image editor like Photoshop or GIMP. Therefore, you would probably close your Blender scene, open the image editor of your choice, make your changes to the image, and then take minutes to reload your image. But that just takes too long. Watch what you could do instead.
Blender Defender.
So, instead of doing everything manually, like I just explained, you can just use the Edit Image Externally function that is built right into Blender. To do this, you first have to go to the Blender Preferences, File Path, Application, Image Editor and choose the path to the exe of the image editor you want to use. Then over in the image editor, make sure that the image is saved, then go to Image, Edit Externally and wait for the image editor to launch. Then just make your changes to the image, in my case removing a watermark. And once you are finished, you have to overwrite the existing image, and all what's left to do is to go back to Blender, go to Image, Reload. So that's the way you can edit images externally without having a lot of extra work. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Leave a like and subscribe, and remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.